Hi, I'm Eddie Mendoza for Direct Relief. I'm here in Acapulco responding to Hurricane Otis, where we are delivering over 100,000 units of hand sanitizer to the municipality of Acapulco. We will be using these products to help reduce the propagation of gastrointestinal issues because there's a lack of water, so people will require to use hand sanitizer to keep their hands clean and avoid any infections. We really appreciate the support of Noma Lab for donating these supplies, which will be sorely needed over the next coming weeks. Thank you so much.